This is an iPhone. It's a iPhone 11. This is the cog. As you go down, you're going to see there's an OTG connection. Use Type-C to Type-C PD cable to connect camera to Android device, only for Android that the DJI is catering to. What I do want to show you that I am on 2.4 gigahertz. I had here just previously a little thumbnail of my playback. I'm going to take a video, I'm in 4K video resolution, and stop it. There is my thumbnail down below over here, as you can see. So this way I could block the screen. Now, if I go to the playback button, I have here is a 4K, an HD 1080p, a photo, and a 4K. No matter what I do, if I click on the 1080p, the low resolution preview will not show anything at all. So is there an issue that we are all well aware of, and how can we go about correcting this? Now I want to back out. I don't want to download or do anything. I want to get back to the main screen, which I am. I want to swipe down, go to the cog, and I want to see if going into the wireless connection, changing the frequency from 2.4 to 5G will do anything. It's going to disconnect from the application. We are going to reconnect the application. I'm going to just go a little faster by hitting the connect button when it says connect. It should take under a minute to do so. We're going to hit the device, and there we are connected to 5G. We're going to hit the playback button. There's the photo. Still the same issue. Can we reset the camera, and will that fix the issue? And this is something that DJI and others will have to figure out on their own if these issues can be corrected. So we have reset connection. Hit the reset. It doesn't take too long to do this, but we see if this will correct that issue in the camera. The phone device disconnects. It's going to ask me to put in a new password and all that good stuff. It's going to ask me to join. It's going to take a few seconds. We're reconnected. Hit the playback, and we still have the same exact issue. So how can we go about correcting this, DJI? If you have this issue and you have the resolution, please do post down below. Everyone would love to hear your solving of the problem.